how to download accounts Facebook Center on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download accounts Facebook Center on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click this three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just click this one, download your information, and then click select all and go down, go down until you find this one, Facebook account center. Click on it and then just click create file, and after you click on it just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.